Hi, I'm Nick Williams.
And I'm Delaney George.
Welcome to 4-Minute Friday Fun. What are we learning about today?
Classkick.
Classkick. Do you know what it does?
I actually have no idea.
Excellent. So you're going to learn as well. This was actually taught to me by a student in my class, Andrea, who showed me this. It's really cool. It's kind of like if you're thinking about the UDL framework, it's a very engaging platform, but you can assess, you can engage students, you can see what they're doing. It's a little bit like Nearpod, but has some different features, and I think you'll like it. So what you can do, and it's to get started free. There are some paid versions, but you need to go to Teacher. You need to sign in with, you can sign in with Google, which is always nice, and it'll prompt you with permissions and everything.
Makes everything so easy.
So navigation-wise, you have over here on the left your assignments that you can have, I'm assuming, an unlimited amount. You can build in rosters here if you want. We've just kind of made some sample ones for today. You get notifications. So one of the cool things is that you can share lessons with other teachers.
That's nice.
So Andrea actually shared one with me, and you can check out your profile, and there's some other pieces down there. So we'll go back to assignments because that's what we're concerned about. So these are all ones that we've kind of made, but you can browse sample assignments. So like the Arctic animal ones, I'll pull this one up real quick, is one from the library. And it's like a slideshow that you can build in assessments and students work through them, and you can assign them points and give feedback to right away.
Interesting.
Students don't need an account. You give them a class code per assignment so that you can get moving on there. And then again, you can share it with a teacher, colleague, or get to kids, and then you can view student work. So if you want to start from scratch, you have this new blank assignment. And then you title it and everything else. But when you pull up a slide, you have lots of options, very UDL based in terms of audio, video, pictures, links, everything else. You can make it a very much a multi-purpose area. So I put Delaney in one. So I shared with student work. And again, you get this class code here that is down there. And so what I want to do is view student work now. So I can see Delaney here, and you can have a lot of students in here, but it'll highlight which slide she's on. So it'll bring up all of your students here, and you can see exactly where everyone is. So this would be great.
So as I move through, it jumps.
It'd be great for an e-learning day. And then the student view also has editing tools as well. So she's got on here, and you're supposed to type out definition. Notice we can put in audio here and videos. She says she didn't know for that. So I could go in there and edit it and give feedback or score points if you want up here, if you want to make an assessment. But you're able to do that. And this little hand raising thing is if you have a student that has a question, they can raise their hand and then it will pop up on here so that you can be like, okay, this student is asking for help. And then I can go in there and assist the student. So there is a lot of nice features. Here's another one that she's on right now that she scribbled at. And
did such a good job.
You can just kind of go from there. So in terms of lessons, the library does have some limitations, but there are some really good ones in there.
Awesome.
And again, if you're working with a team, then you can do that, and you can get assessments and reports off of it as well. And that's Classkick.
That's Classkick.
Excellent job. Thank you, Andrea, for sharing.
Thank you.
And
anything else?
No, that's it.
Have a happy Friday.